Well, it's clouded up now. I think I'm done. I think that will work. Doesn't sparkle as brilliantly without the sun, but you know, the pewter one still has a little bit of rust to take off of that one, but pewter doesn't really shine. Sorry I kind of let this go for so long, Bob, but got everything all nice and spiffied up. So, take care, guys.